So hello guys, I think let's draw, and I don't finish my drawing yet, so let's do it. So I'm a little bit thirsty right now. Let's just drink. Oh god, wait. Let's drink. Let's go. So I don't finish yet this, so I just make this. I make that. So now let's draw. Now how to draw the tears again. How about let's just draw. I'm gonna be speed on this. What the I don't like to say the word. Okay. So it's done. I think now we gonna take this. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So I'm just new up here and I don't know to record. Now I know to record. Oh yeah. This is talking about. Now we start. Now my children's the first, now the second, now the third. Beautiful. Also like and subscribe. Bye. Let's just drink a little bit. Okay, bye.